Hey, welcome to another Create with Jeff tutorial video. Let me show you the blurring adjustments available in Procreate. First, you go to that little magic wand to the top left, adjustments, and click on perspective blur. This allows you to position the blurriness wherever you want, and all of these blurring options allow you to increase the blurriness by running your finger to the right of the screen. Next up is Gaussian blur. Let me draw a background, a white background for me to use. Then go to the top left, use Gaussian blur and run your finger to the right to whatever percentage you want. And the last of the three is motion blur, which allows you to portray speed in your artwork easier without you having to draw anymore. Let me duplicate this layer and go to motion blur and slide my finger or stylus pen on the screen to the right. After that, all that's left is to delete the pixels you don't want to make your art look extra good.